Sometimes you think, I'm such a sinner, what good can I possibly do? A story was narrated that a woman from Banu Israel who was a prostitute. Imagine, this was the woman's occupation, right? The worst of sins, one of the worst of sins, things that are unimaginable, right? This woman did this for a living. And this was her job. That a prostitute was walking and that she seen a dog that was thirsty. Again, now this is shaitan. This is how shaitan works. In the scheme of things, really, what is she going to do? And look, subhanallah, from a Muslim's perspective, it's a dog. A dog that is najis. It's not like, wallah, it was a beautiful, colorful parrot that touched her heart. No, it was a stray dog. No owner. But this woman, she was able to get to the well, water well, and drink. And that she seen the thirst in the eyes of this dog. And that this dog couldn't get to it. So something moved her in her heart. So she did an act of good. She brought some water to the thirsty dog and she allowed the dog to drink. The Prophet ﷺ says that Allah Azza wa Jal entered her into paradise because of this one good deed that she did. This is Islam.